welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ms.K and I am back with another video. First off, I am so happy to be back. I'm finally feeling like myself, feeling a lot better. So I'm up and recording again. So thank you guys for being so patient and so supportive. I really can't say thank you enough and I appreciate it. So if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you hit that subscription button as well as turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss my next uploads. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and get right into the video, you guys. Today I am coming to you with a ponytail that I purchased from Sam's Beauty. It is by Outre and it is the Timeless Ponytail. I believe this is Cutie. I purchased this in the color 1B30 and this is what she looks like. And it's actually going to be looking like a pineapple actually. So there's a drawstring back here and has the comb right here in the back and then a comb right here in the front so that you can pull it down to do the bangs. And it's actually very cute. You guys, summer's going to be here before we know it, and I don't know about you guys, but I'm not always in the mood to have anything hanging down low or long hair on my neck, on my shoulders and things like that. So I typically enjoy my hair up in a bun like this or to wear my hair in a ponytail. So when I saw this a while ago, I was thinking that I needed to take and give it a try, and actually this little unit, I want to say was, under $10. So let's go ahead and jump right into seeing how I can get this unit styled, you guys. Now, considering that my hair is already in a bun, we're already halfway there, I just went in with my Eco Styling Gel to take and mold my hair. And I'm going to be using some flat bobby pins to style it, as well as the open bobby pins. So let me take my bun down, and then we can go ahead and start styling this one. So let's jump into it.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay, you guys, this is so cute. This was styled in less than 5 minutes. I mean, you cannot complain with that, you guys. Less than 5 minutes. And she is so cute, you guys. Just look at it. Like, you can fake it until you make it, you guys. This is actually so freaking adorable. I love this. This is cute. Let's get a look at the sides. So there's the side. Let's look at the back. That front is so cute because it's so full. This is so cute, you guys. And look at Okay, so you guys, I knew this was going to be a cute, quick little video. I will leave all of the information down in the description box below. Leave me your comments, you guys. Let me know what you think, if you like it, if you don't like it. If you're planning on getting her for the summer, I think it's really cute, you guys. And actually, you can't go wrong for like under $10. But again, I'll make sure that I leave all of the information in the description box below. And until the next time, bye guys.
Perfect.